Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to delete a Telegram account. So Telegram, as we all know, is a instant messaging service just like other social media platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger and stuff like that. So if you are done with your Telegram account and if you no more want to use it, then you have to delete its account first. So if you're wondering how to delete its account, then you are on the absolutely right place, guys. In this video I'm going to guide you through how to delete your Telegram account. So to learn how, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to delete your Telegram account, go ahead and tap on Telegram application. Now go ahead and tap on three line on the top of the page. Now go ahead and tap on settings. Now scroll it all the way down until you find Telegram FAQ. So go ahead and tap on there. Now again scroll it down until you find your account. So under your account you'll find an option on delete your Telegram account. So go ahead and tap on delete your Telegram account. Now under how do I delete my account, you will find the activation page. So go ahead and tap on the activation page. Now this interface will appear on your screen and it will ask for your phone number. So go ahead and tap on your number on international format. So if you're done entering your phone number on international format, go ahead and tap on next. Now confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. So go ahead and tap on your confirmation code. So if you're done tapping your confirmation code, you can also check on the box of remember me as per your wish. So if you're done tapping all of your credentials, then tap on sign in. So it will ask you why are you leaving this account. So you need not provide any reason here. Just tap on delete my account. Then tap on yes, delete my account. So this is how you can easily delete your Telegram account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.